Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Avalanche (AVAX) from Coinbase Wallet to MetaMask. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, MetaMask gives you more control over your assets for decentralized apps and trading. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask apps or extensions installed and set up on your device. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your dashboard. Look for your Avalanche holdings. It's usually listed under your assets or portfolio. Next, switch over to MetaMask. If you haven't already, add the Avalanche network to MetaMask. In 2025, this might involve going to the network settings and selecting or adding Avalanche with the chain ID and RPC URL. Don't worry, I'll link resources in the description. Once you're on the Avalanche network in MetaMask, copy your wallet address. That's the long string of letters and numbers you'll need. Now, head back to Coinbase Wallet. Select your Avalanche balance and choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Double-check that address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but always confirm. Hit the Confirm button and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your Avalanche tokens there. Success. A quick tip. Always use the correct network to avoid lost funds, and consider using a small test transfer first if you're new to this. If you run into issues, check for error messages or reach out to support. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.